G'day guys, my name's Ethan.
I'm Kristen and this is 80 Adventures.
Welcome to my shit show part 2. So we are here in quantum engineering. We just picked up full rebuild kit, so she's all there loaded in to the mighty nav. So yeah, wish us luck to getting it back and then start putting the dog together, eh?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
We have got the engine back from the machine shop.
Yes, sir.
We're just busy taping it up so that we can give it a fresh paint job. Again, not the ideal place, but it is what we got. So yeah, we Bryce, he's doing a good job at taping all these things up. He's my little apprentice.
Don't worry about that. That was just
yeah,
that was a practice.
pay cut on that one.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, so tape it up, paint it up, and then we can start assembling the dog. We'll have a look at that there. Freshly honed. Taping up the motor so we can
Tape it up, then paint it.
yep, paint the dog. The purpose of taping this up is when I spray it, it's not spraying on all the sealing surfaces which need silicone and stuff like that. And you don't want it to go in threads because then you have problem putting bolts and stuff like that in. It's the worst part. So that is the reason.
I'm only a scaffolder, and he's making me tape up these little holes. And we're going to be painting it. And I've even taped up the ones he told me not to. You know what I mean? That's how good I am. I've got to wait for the boss to come back because that was my job. Now we sing a lullaby.
Oh, he's out of reach.
Sweet Caroline. Master Chef. Okay, look at that. Go on. Oh well, that's one.
How'd you go? Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, dude.
That's it.
Pristine job. This. Look at that. Look. Turn the camera around. Look.
At least the
Now look.
at least the window.
Look over there.
We are together.
We work together. Oh yeah, to puppy. It's not ratatouille.
Are you for real? Are you for real? Brev, that couldn't Oh my goodness, mate.
Why is it that colour, Brev?
Oh!
You need to see a doctor.
What are you eating?
You need to see a doctor.
What the hell, man? That is, oh no!
On the video. That's fantastic. It's coming along sick.
Hell yeah, brother.
Look at that.
That's just the first little light coat, and then that's why I got 2 cans, so we get a nice thick coat on there.
Yeah, mate.
The thing with paint is you got to make sure it's nice and thick, otherwise it just burns off. Even though it is high temp paint, like, you never know. Oh my, look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Wow, we were.
Team effort.
I'll leave it there. It's fine.
Thanks, mate. You done well, Bryce?
So we just went car part shopping and got a few things for the build today. So we got whatever this is. We got this. We got this.
What is it?
An indicator.
dial indicator.
Yeah. We got this to go with it.
Mag base.
And then we got the piston compressor. We also got some different cans of brake cleaner because you can't go wrong with that. And then we also got some contact spray. Is that what it is?
Yeah, contact cleaner.
Yeah. Okay, so we have a bit of a problem. We can't really hook up the engine onto the stand at the moment because the bolts that it's on is too long. So now we're on a mission to find some bolts that are going to fit. And so far we've tried 2 shops and cannot find it. So basically we're hoping this 3rd shop will have it. Otherwise, what are we going to do?
Space it up with washers.
Yep.
That's about all we can do, really. Hello!
So we just went to Repco and they literally had 1 packet left of the bolts that we needed. So we got them, which we're going to use for the top half of the stand. We got washers that we're going to put on the bottom part to space out the bolt. Is that right?
Correctamundo.
And then that's all we can really do today because we're running out of time during the day to do anything else.
Yeah, I still got 2 more days anyway, so yeah. Should have it mostly built tomorrow. Just got a heap of measurements and shit to do. That's time consuming part of it, but yes.
We're getting there.
Yes, we're getting there.
But yeah.
Progress is key.
Yeah, that's it. So let's go put them on. So we have a problem. The bolts we literally just brought,
Too short.
too small. So all those washers that we just got are right there. And we don't even have any for the bottom. So not sure what we're going to do yet, but this is the situation that we're in.
So much we can do about it.
Nope. So yep, fun times. So this is what it's come to now. We're currently wrapping it again a little bit more because it's ripped in certain spots. But we're gonna move it onto the table over here because he's gonna do some stuff
I've got to put the crank in first.
here. So we kind
Where
of...
it's currently bolted to, that's where it's currently bolted to the crank cradle. And I need to pull that off to put the crank in, so I'll put the crank in tomorrow first. Do all the measurements, check my oil clearances and my thrust. My end float on it, whatever. And then put it back on. Put it back on here. You know what I mean?
Fun times, but yeah, that's where we're at the moment. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ethan, that's not on the things properly. I did help him move over here because that was hectic.
Yeah, I'll just pick it up straight.
So I didn't record that, but this is the state we're in right now. We'll see how we go over the weekend when rebuilding it.
Welcome to our shit show part 3.
Hello.
Hello.
Today is another day of working on the engine. We also got this manual from another YouTuber that we watched.
Yep, very handy. It's got a lot more information than the bloody our book does, so it's good.
So I'll put that below, as well as the other YouTuber, because they're currently doing a rebuild with their car at the moment, with their 80 series as well, which is pretty cool. Now that is the...
This is the crank, yeah. Oof.
In this video, we're probably going to be keeping the camera there majority of the time because it's on a stand and it just makes things so much easier. So you won't really see too much close-ups in this video.
And poof, magic. The crank is in. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put little bits of plastic gauge on each of these. Pop on the ladder frame, torque it down, pull it off again, check the clearances. Check the thrust as well, thrust clearances on this as well. And yeah, that's it.
Look at it.
Sick. Oh damn. Those skinny arms.
Look good.
Thanks, darling.
You're welcome.
So we've got the ladder frame on. I've got plastic gauge in there, so what we're doing is, I'm just lubing up these bolts because it says to put a bit of oil on the bottom of the head and on the thread. Torque them up, pull it off, check the clearances, make sure it's all good, and then we can clean it up, put some sealant on it, seal it up, torque it down, and then we can start assembling some pistons up, putting them in.
Hello, my friend.
Hello!
Our special guest has arrived.
Hello.
Featuring wee Bryce.
Just me, man.
Is she me, ma?
Just me, man.
So I'm just slowly clamping it down evenly. Just to mark, because we've got to turn it another 90 degrees.
Oh, you're right.
So, we've just torqued down the bolts there. Yeah, we'll pull it all apart again. Check the oil clearances. If they're all good, then we can chuck the whole thing together, seal it up, torque it all up. And then, yeah, put it on the stand and we can start putting pistons in it. You know what I mean? Right.
Don't hit me, bro.
Try not to.
I'm just trying to help. Not as quick as Ethan.
Maybe if we just pick it up with the crane.
You know what? That's actually a fantastic idea. What are we doing?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Mechanic.
Lovely seeing. Good job, boys. I'm just prepping up these little wall squirters. Gonna put them in. Very important bit of kit. Alrighty, I am busy assembling me pistons. I've got the piston rod all assembled, so now I'm just going to put all the rings on. So it's just a matter of putting all these dogs on here. And there's a certain way that you want it as well. You want to separate the rings in a certain order. The O-ring. That one's there. This one's totally opposite. That. Boom. And then we get our second compression ring. Down to the second groove. Like that. And you want to position that one about there. All the positioning of the piston rings is in the manual that we use. We'll probably put that in the bio as well, just so if anyone else wants to do the same thing. Yeah. And the top compression ring. Also, thing to note is they got little markings on them. They got to be facing up towards the top of the piston. And that one you want to the opposite of the second one. Just like that. Boom. Piston assembled. Put that to the side. Get the next one. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing this for the rest of the 4 that's left, and then we'll put them in, and then we'll cut to that. So, squeaky stand. Arrow facing forward. Like that. In she goes. First piston. Number 1. So yeah, when they have the arrow facing forward, because they've got these little indents in the piston, that's where the valves go. So you don't want piston hitting valve, that's not good. G'day guys, my name's Ethan.
I'm Kristen.
Oh my gosh, 4 6 months.
Oh my days. Okay.
And mechanic apprentice.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome back to the video.
See, that's your can, Brief. Is that your can?
By the way, the only way you should be working on your car is with a beer in hand.
That's exactly right. Cheers, mate.
Bottom ones. Why are you yawning?
I was going to say move your cruiser. Thanks, man. I am cleaning.